Hi guys, so I finally went ahead and bought this iPhone 14. Just brand new. I just opened the seals. But as you can see, if you compare it with the previous versions, this one is iPhone 6. This is 7, so you can see the size of the box if I keep it together. You know, iPhone 6 is the height, I would say, is a little lower as compared to 7. And then I compare 7 to 14. I multiply it by all 7 versions. After 7 versions it comes to 714, and you can see how it drastically the drop. They're almost half the size of the 7. So the model is 14, but the size is half the size of the previous box of 7. And earlier, if we look at the box inside, the box, like for 6 or 7, they were like much bigger. They had more stuff like a charger. This is so hard to open. Okay, great. So there used to be a thing like this. Take this off, then there would be another one, or maybe, I don't know. I still never opened this. I used it, but see, it's still lying sealed. Never opened all this. There was a charger, there was a cable, then there was this inside, the earphone. So this was what came in 6. 7 was almost the same, like I took out all the paperwork and stuff. So this is just a box, empty box right now. The phone is over here. This was 7. And the size of the box was a little, I would say, a little less than the previous 6. This is not, yeah, you can see. No, this is a little higher than the 6. And after that, the 14. Now with 14, the interesting part is they've, like, this is thin, and what is inside is a phone, some paperwork, and thus this cable. So they've taken away the charger like this, and the cables, the earphones what we used to get in previous versions like this. So nothing is there. All we get is this paperwork, this phone, 14, 128 gigabytes. They're all 128, 6, 128. This is 128. This is also 128 gigabytes. But there's nothing. Well, Apple could have saved more money had they not given us this box as well. Maybe in future they just give us this phone, right? That's what I'm expecting. They save the work, save the environment, save the paper, and start selling every accessory. You want a box? Pay maybe $100 extra for it, right? That's what can be expected of Apple. Yeah, another interesting thing. So this is 7, 128 gigabytes, 128 iPhone 7. And if I compare this with this, the new iPhone 14, the 7, so this is 14. You can see the 7 was much thinner as compared to 14. So very sleek, very thin, but this, yeah, this is like very interesting thing. They have added the cameras as compared to the previous model, and I'm gonna like add the SIM card and then see how it works with how is the all the features and all. I'm sure it should be better than previous versions, though the camera is almost the same unless we go for a Pro. This is not a Pro, but if I go for a Pro model, then there's a third camera as well. This doesn't have a third one, this just has 2. But it's pretty interesting, like how Apple has been playing around. Like this feels heavy. Like 14 feels heavy as compared to 7. So in 7 years, what they have come up with, sometimes they reduce the size of the box, sometimes it, like when the box is big, the phone is thin. When the box is thin, the phone is more heavy, and this is more, I would say the width of this is more. It's funny. yeah, in future I don't know what Apple comes up with. Gives the phone in hand, you want a box, you buy it, everything they want to make money on. Come on guys, like, give your people, your consumers something more than, you charge so much. The price goes up, but let's see what the future is. Yeah, I got this. I had to buy this separately, the screen guard, which always is an extra accessory. I have to go buy a charger maybe now, though I have an old one. I can use this, but I still will try and get maybe an earpod, because this doesn't have, I'll need a wireless iPods or something, so I have to buy that separately. Oh, does it have a thing? No, it doesn't have. Yeah, it's same. They removed all those places to put the jack in, so everything is wireless, but they won't give it for free anymore. Everything you have to buy. Kind of fun. Spend more, buy an expensive phone, then buy more expensive accessories, and yeah, anything goes. Anything, there's an issue with it, take it back to Apple, pay more. Keep paying. Yeah, Apple gets rich every time. It's fun, guys. So that's Apple. A for Apple. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I'll get this thing working. I'll take out the SIM card from this phone and then try and see how the features are. Thanks for watching. See ya. So yeah, if you want to use these headphones with your iPhone 14, so you will need to buy an extension, something like this one. I bought this from Apple. Buy it separately, then push this jack inside. That goes in. So this is now ready. This is iPhone 14, so I can push this in, and yeah, so this is how it is. All you need to buy is like more accessories to use one particular accessory. So you don't get this with it, you don't get this wire with it, you buy this separately, both of them. That's how it goes, but it is possible. Else buy an the AirPods and use wireless. So that's it. Thank you.